What's up guys, Marc here, Wired Kustoms. We're starting a 2006 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be doing a 215 blow through on 3,000 watts. The amplifier does around 3,400 watts. And we're going to take you guys along for the ride here. We're going to do a time lapse. I'm going to try to get all the content for this enclosure. However, sometimes I get busy and skip parts of it. So hopefully we don't have to do that. Thank you. All right, we have all the pieces cut for the most part. We have the bottom, which is this long one there. We have the front and the rear, and the two side pieces right here. All right, we got the rear portion of the enclosure on. Now we're going to do the front. All right, we got the rear on and the front on. The front will have the port. There'll be a port right here. That'll be an external port that'll slide through the cabin area of the truck. Now we're gonna attach right and left, and then we'll work on the front baffle, or the baffle, not the front baffle, the baffle. All right, there's 3 of them on it now. One more to go. Is complete. We also added some actuators. The truck did not come with power windows or power locks. However, now it has power locks. So we also did a remote start with an alarm. We can arm it. We can disarm it. And then we can remote start it by pressing this 2 times. The lights are going to come on. When the lights come on, that's to tell you that it has started. If you're in your house, you look out, you don't see those lights on, it's probably indicative of the remote start is not started. Let's go in and check it out. Amplifiers behind there. This truck here has 215s and a blow through. That's where we cut the bed of the truck and slide the box in. That's the box. That That's his old equipment. It's a huge upgrade. We also provided this bed cover here. You can see the brand of it right there. Swapped out the front speakers. He's got a knob right there in which he can control how much output the bass amp will produce. That's perfect timing.
Hey, go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got that whole dust, bring it down.
Hey, wow.
I'm online, and you know they got you back. 45 story cash like that. How you fucking with these hoes? I put the greatest and now selling out the shows. I make it because he know it's like those. I be yelling the playlist because she fucking me the most like that. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got that whole dust, new crowd, bring it back. Because I'm online, and you know they got you strapped. I'm down with it now, 45 story cash like that. How you fucking with these hoes? I put the greatest and now selling out the shows.
Man, this thing is really loud for 215s. Alright guys.